Your windows will shine like never before. You'll be able to enjoy a streak-free view of the world outside. For some, this method is a game changer. For others, it's a long-kept secret. Now, you'll learn how to professionally clean your windows using items you probably already have at home. They'll look brand new. Getting streak-free windows can seem impossible. While many people rely on store-bought cleaners, they aren't always the best choice. They work well for mirrors or shower doors, but not for windows. What you really need is dish soap, and this. You'll find out how to use them in a moment. First, pour plenty of water into a bowl or bucket. Dissolve a few drops of any dishwashing liquid in it. The water should not foam. There should only be a little bit of liquid in it. Use this water to first wipe the windows. This removes all the dirt and dust from winter. Remember, the best time to clean windows is on a cloudy day. Direct sunlight causes streaks. Once the initial dirt is gone, fill a spray bottle with 7 fluid ounces of vinegar and the same amount of warm water. Add just a few drops of dish soap and about 15 drops of glycerin, which you can find at any pharmacy. Spray this mixture onto the glass. Wipe gently with a cloth, then polish with newspaper. The glycerin creates a protective layer that prevents dust and dirt from settling, and water will roll off without leaving marks. The vinegar's scent will also deter insects from landing on your windows, and thanks to the newspaper, you'll get a streak-free finish every time.